Today we're gonna talk about land biomes, so listen. A biome is a region of similar ecosystems, all with a certain climate and plant and animal life. And the different climates determine what the biome is like. Climate's the typical weather in a particular place. Its main aspects are temperature and precipitation. There are different types of land biomes to explore, and what we're about to do is take you through the major four. Let's begin with the grassland. They're on every continent except Antarctica, but understand they're called different things. Prairies in North America, savannas in Africa, pampas in South America. They're called steppes in Europe and Asia, and rangelands in Australia. Does that amaze ya? Grasslands can be temperate or tropical, but they all have grass as their primary plant. Watch it, yo! For half the year, grasslands get lots of rain. For the other half, let's just say it's not the same. It's very dry and the grass dies, but when it rains again, the grass grows quick, just as high. A biome is a region that's characterized by a certain climate, plant, and animal life. On land there's forest, grassland, desert, and tundra, and you have to adapt to keep from going under in a biome. A region that's characterized by a certain climate, plant, and animal life. On land there's tundra, forest, desert, and grassland, and you won't survive if you can't adapt. Now let's take it to the forest. There are three major kinds: tropical, temperate, and taiga. You'll find that no matter the type, their primary plant is trees. Their climates, they vary by a couple degrees, but that depends on their latitude. And all year round, they mostly have regular precipitation coming down. Now, how about the desert? Known for extreme dryness, less than 10 inches of precipitation. You know why it's often really hot during the day, but at night it gets cold when the sun goes away. Now there's three types of tundra. Tell them: Alpine, Arctic, and Antarctic. If you wonder what the climate's like, well, it's cold and dry, with a flat terrain and no trees that we can climb. They're basically cold deserts with permafrost, a layer of frozen soil underneath that never thaws. A biome is a region that's characterized by a certain climate, plant, and animal life. On land there's forest, grassland, desert, and tundra, and you have to adapt to keep from going under in a biome. A region that's characterized by a certain climate, plant, and animal life. On land there's tundra, forest, desert, and grassland, and you won't survive if you can't adapt in a biome.